Today we have discussed the differentiable function which is our differentiable at 0, infinity, and we have limit extending to infinity functions value plus the derivative of this functions which belongs to limit capital L, right? We have to show that the limit of function is capital L. If the derivative and function limit sum is capital N, then we have to find out the function's limit is capital N and the derivative's limit of this function which is 0. This is an interesting fact because when we have the sum of this, so either it is L, if it is L and the function's limit L, so this is 0. If there is given that f dash of x limit is equals to L, then fx it to be 0 because when the sum of this, it should be L plus 0 type, right? So it gives that capital L, but it can be 0 plus L also, which is equals to capital L. How it is defined that it is not true but it is true, right? Let us define this. That is, function differentiable at 0, infinity, and e to the power x functions is differentiable function at 0, infinity. Let us take it because the exponential function is monotonic increasing function, and 0, infinity where the function is defined, exponential function is also defined. So let us take limit extending to infinity fx is equals to what we can write it up. We can write it up by taking multiplication and dividing in numerator and denominator is that e to the power x fx upon e to the power x, right? E to the power x and e to the power x, this will how do we find the limit of this function? By taking L'Hospital rules. Taking L'Hospital rules becomes that e to the power x, this is fx plus e to the power x, this is f dash of x upon e to the power x, then e to the power x. So this will cancel out, this will become fx plus f dash of x, which is equals to, and this whole limit given is capital L, as we know that in this capital L. So this implies that limits of x tending to infinity fx equals to capital L. Now want to find the derivatives limits given by taking plus and minus of functions, then it will become capital N, and this is small l, capital L, then it will minus 0. So the function's limit is capital L.